guys, welcome back. Oh my god, I'm exhausted. We're on day 4 by the time you're hearing this of the renovation, and it's going really well. We had a couple of little minor glitches that took up some time, but I was so tired yesterday. I've been working on this through the night because during the day it's almost impossible to work around here. When I decide to do something, I'm really doing it. So I'm going to let you see some of the progress. It's not going to look like much yet. By the end of the weekend, you'll be able to see a big difference. Right now, there is dust and dirt everywhere. Oh my God. Did you ever pick up carpet and underneath that's like the foundation or like the basement level of the house, even though we don't really have a basement here, we have a lower level. And oh my God, there was so much sand. It's almost up, and then like the dust has spread everywhere. I had cleaned off my bar before I started all of this. The whole entire glass, everything was all dust free. Now it doesn't even look like I touched it then because everything got kicked up and is settling down. But that's like life in the desert. We don't have soil, we have sand. So I will let you see my progress. Let's go. I'm at the end of day 3, and you could see I got most of that wall over there painted. Now, it would have been completely painted today, but we had some paint issues. I sent my father out to go get me a thing of paint, and he came home with Valspar, and I stupidly used it. This is a warning that Valspar paint sucks. Normally I like to use Behr because it has the primer and the paint together, especially when doing white. All day long I had a light gray wall and you were able to see the yellow tone through it, and it looked terrible. I was like, oh no. That's a bright white. It's kind of hard to see it in the light right now. And yeah, I am a disastrous painter, but it comes out good at the end. I do what I can reach first, and then I do the top and the bottom. So that's just my process. What can I tell you? Beginning to take shape, even though it doesn't look like it does. Well, let me give you a little tour of the back area. If you guys have sent me email in like the last, like I would say 6 days, I haven't been in my email at all. I changed the password, I changed the password, and then I forgot what it was, and my camera or my phone is being replaced. There was something wrong with it. It kept losing memory, so they're replacing it. So I don't have my regular phone, and you have to call your secondary verification when you don't remember your password. And so until I get my phone back, I can't do that. I'm not ignoring you. It's just I can't get into my email. So hopefully by Monday I'll have my phone and I'll be able to do that. What do you guys think of this as a replacement for the green couch? But I'm thinking of getting 2 seats for where the green couch is, and then the third one will go where the beige seat is. It's just an idea. I'm not sure. I'm not even sure if it'll work in the space. I have to measure, but this is my top choice so far. This is drying now. I'm quite proud of myself because we were going to get rid of this door. My husband accidentally tripped, but instead of stepping on the dog, he ended up putting his foot through the door. So the door is in perfect condition. It's only half painted now, so don't mind the color. It will be bright white. But I'm actually fixing the big old hole in the bottom of the door. I have to, of course, put another coat on, put more tape on it, and it's better than getting rid of the door. I mean, what's the chances of him putting his foot through the same spot twice? And this is just an interior door. It's a hollow door. I think to replace it, it's like $200. It's that inexpensive. But why spend $200 when you don't have to? So I might as well try. So I'll see tomorrow. I'll show you guys if this worked. If it doesn't, I replace the door. No big deal. So in the back area here, let's see. I painted some of this. I still have to do another coat. And of course, you could see it's half yellow, beige, and white. But we finished a lot in the closet. Well, there was a panel missing on the bottom. And that has to be, continued to be spackled and made smooth, but at least it's closed up now. 86 years old and he's fixing the closet.
85.
85. You should be wearing a mask. You would say that to me.
Yeah.
You have a mask?
No.
With your breathing?
What?
With your breathing?
No, it's okay.
You kidding me? You can't put on a breathing mask? I found this flooring that I liked. I'll change my mind 1,000 times, but for now it's like a grayish, and it's like gray and white, and it has it's like wood vinyl. Here in the desert, you really can't use wood because your floors dry out. I'm going to paint them white until I make my final decision. I was testing it, and it's okay. I mean, no, I'm not using the right paint. I know all of that. Kind of looks like a construction site now. By the end of the weekend, you'll see big changes, because now that I have the right paint, I can just rip through the walls tomorrow and be done with that project. Yes, Mina's on a leash. She's doing really well. I can't trust her off the leash and being out of the cage because she will jump. But she's been doing really good on the leash. She'll sit on my shoulder, and it's a safer way of making sure she doesn't hurt herself. And she doesn't seem to mind it. I can also let her run across the floor or go a little further than I could if she was off the leash. She'll run under a piece of furniture and I'll have trouble getting her out. She can get hurt. I'm not putting that big beigey picture back. I don't even know what I'm going to do with that. I'm kind of like thinking the home theater vibe. So it should be easy to separate because the hinges are just screwed in. So I could probably just, I don't know, unscrew them. Oh, that's what I have my father for. He'll do it for me. A little thing about my family. My father is the carpenter, the handyman, and my husband doesn't know one end of the screwdriver from the hammer. Trust me. We don't trust him with tools. Ever. Yeah, we don't even trust him carving the turkey. Well, the back wall is all prepped and ready to be painted. This vampire is going to bed. It's daylight now, so I don't want to turn to ash. The sun hits me. I will see you on Monday, and I have a coloring video. I wanted to do 2 versions of it, so I can give you options, and that's what's taking me so long. Listen, it is what it is. So, I will see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend. Take care.